Picture this. The year is 2026, and the world of luxury has just been redefined. Not on land, but at sea. This isn't your average superyacht. This is the next chapter in maritime opulence, a floating masterpiece crafted with cutting-edge technology, breathtaking design, and unimaginable comfort. A mega yacht not only built for the ultra-wealthy but designed to transform the very meaning of sea travel. It doesn't just sail. It glides, it dazzles, and it changes the game entirely. Welcome aboard the ultimate 2026 Mega Yacht, where the future of luxury has finally arrived. At first glance, the yacht looks like a futuristic sculpture cutting across the ocean, with a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette made from a composite of carbon fiber and glass-infused titanium. The exterior shimmers under the sunlight with a smooth, metallic sheen that subtly shifts color as you move around it. The hull has been engineered not only for visual impact but for performance. Streamlined to reduce drag and increase fuel efficiency, this yacht travels faster, quieter, and more smoothly than anything before it. But step on board and that's when the experience truly begins. The moment you walk onto the yacht's main deck, you're greeted with an expanse of open space, an infinity pool that seems to pour straight into the sea, surrounded by teak wood loungers, sculptural furniture, and automated sunshades that follow the movement of the sun throughout the day. The entire space feels more like a five-star beach resort than a vessel. Everything you touch, see, and hear is curated by AI-powered systems. Lighting, sound, climate, all customized to your preferences before you even realize you have them. Inside, the main saloon stretches across the full beam of the yacht, with floor-to-ceiling windows that slide open to let in the sea breeze. The interior design is a fusion of ultra-modern minimalism and tactile luxury. Think polished concrete walls softened with cashmere drapes, marble floors balanced with reclaimed driftwood art pieces, and a palette of soft neutrals that reflect the colors of the sea and sky. The furniture, custom designed, 3D printed, and built to adapt. Sofa configurations change at the touch of a screen, and dining tables morph into cocktail bars with a simple voice command. This yacht isn't just about beauty, it's smart. The central brain of the ship is a state-of-the-art AI system that controls everything from navigation and safety protocols to guest preferences and onboard entertainment. It learns from your behavior. Like waking up every morning at 8. Your suite will begin gradually brightening with simulated sunrise at 7:45, followed by your favorite coffee, brewed and delivered by a robotic butler. Prefer silence in the morning? The audio system will gently suppress surrounding noise and play calming ocean sounds. The technology on board doesn't just respond, it anticipates. Let's talk about accommodations. The owner's suite is nothing short of palatial, occupying the entire forward section of the upper deck. With panoramic views, a private terrace, its own plunge pool, a personal spa, and even a retractable ceiling for stargazing, it's a floating penthouse like no other. The ensuite bathroom is lined with backlit onyx, with rainfall showers, an on-demand steam room, and a mirror that doubles as a touchscreen control center. Guests are treated no less royally. 6 VIP cabins, each with their own unique aesthetic theme, are spread across the yacht, all equipped with smart glass walls that can go from transparent to opaque with a tap, and mattresses that adapt to your body using biometric feedback. And if that's not enough, there's a wellness deck that rivals most land-based retreats. Picture this: a gym with virtual trainers projected in front of you, a yoga studio with a retractable floor that converts into a saltwater flotation pool, a cryotherapy room, and a full medical-grade spa staffed with therapists flown in at a moment's notice. Whether it's a deep tissue massage overlooking the ocean or a private sound bath under the stars, wellness is not a feature, it's a lifestyle on this yacht. Entertainment. Oh, it's in another league. An open-air cinema appears out of the deck floor with a 4K holographic projector that can even beam content into the sky on clear nights. Below deck, there's an immersive VR lounge where guests can dive into deep-sea diving simulations, spacewalks, or digital art experiences like walking through Van Gogh's brushstrokes in 3D. The yacht also features a nightclub with a rotating dance floor and a retractable ceiling that opens up to the night sky, because why not party under the stars while floating in the Mediterranean? And of course, what would a mega yacht be without its toys? This vessel carries a fleet of luxury tenders, electric-powered jet skis, a mini-submarine for underwater exploration, and even a small drone pad for guests who prefer to fly to their next destination or take aerial selfies of their maritime adventure. There's also a helipad, naturally, because arriving by air is sometimes the only way to travel. Sustainability is also central to the 2026 Mega Yacht's philosophy. Solar panels are seamlessly integrated into the design, feeding an advanced battery system that powers all non-essential systems. A hybrid propulsion setup means the yacht can cruise in complete silence using electric-only mode, preserving marine life and offering a truly peaceful experience. Water filtration systems convert seawater into drinking water and recycle greywater to keep the environmental footprint minimal. Even the materials used in the yacht's construction and interior finishes are sustainably sourced or recycled, demonstrating that luxury and responsibility can coexist. This yacht isn't just a vessel, it's a symbol. A symbol of innovation, of design, of futuristic ambition. It blurs the boundaries between home, resort, and spaceship, offering an experience so immersive, so luxurious, and so tailored to every whim that it ceases to be just a mode of transportation and becomes a destination in itself. The 2026 Mega Yacht is not only redefining the limits of what a yacht can be, it's redefining the very idea of luxury at sea.